Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to go ahead and install the Sealight LED fog lights today. XF1 H11 300K, so these are yellow LED fog lights for the 2021 Honda Civic EX. Let's go ahead and open her up. Okay, it comes with the warranty, looks like 6 months, as well as the instruction manual. I got these on Amazon for, I believe, $22 or so. Go and check them out. I'll leave the link in the description below. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and install the driver's side first, and two tools you're gonna need is a 10mm socket as well as some kind of flathead. I'm just using this from a screwdriver. So this is the driver's side. Again, there's four places you need to take out, four things you need to take out. The first one is going to be this 10mm bolt. You got tab number 1, tab number 2, right there, and then right in the corner right here is tab number 3. Again, just use a flathead screwdriver or something similar to just pop these out. You do not have to take this out. I actually want rather keep it here. There are some bolts. I've seen some people take this out, but it's not necessary. Once you get all these out, I grab onto this, pull back while pulling this down at the same time. It just makes it easier to take out. Push this back and then down. I'm going to try to do that one-handed, just like so. And then you can pull this down and you will have access. Hopefully the camera can tell. Okay, there's the halogen light bulb. Just stick your arm in there and then twist it to your left like so. And then you're going to just pull that out gently. Okay, so I have the halogen light bulb out. Here's the bulb and here is the connector. There is a little tab inside there. Lift that up and then pull, and there you go. The old one is out, and here is a side-by-side comparison. Let's go and install the new one in. There you go. Now my suggestion is go ahead and turn her on just to make sure it works before you put everything back together, because that's just double work if it doesn't work right. So let me go and turn her on. Oh, look at that. Not sure how well this is getting caught on the camera. It is afternoon right now. I will show some night shots here shortly, but oh, that looks great. That looks awesome. Now, if you're installing this by yourself and you can't find a hole, use a camera like I'm doing. Use your phone camera or whatever, and just kind of wiggle around. See how I do that? That's my hand right there. That way you could kind of gauge where the hole is. And then now you could kind of tell. You're going to put it in that way. Remember, this is going to be clockwise to close now. So once, I know it's going to be hard to get the tabs lined up because you can't see it, but just kind of feel for it. Oh, there we go. And what you're going to do is you're going to twist it to the right, and the LED should go vertical like that, from diagonal to vertical. Here is the new yellow 300K LED and the factory halogen fog lights right there. Right now it looks great in person. It definitely stands out. I definitely wanted to go with the OEM look, but with the yellow fog lights. Guys, this is the passenger side again. Here is the 10mm bolt. We got 2 tabs, 1, 2, and then the third tab is right there. Good to go.